Alright guys, so I just did a review of the Logitech G513, which features the Logitech's own GX brown keys. And this is kind of like a imitation of the Cherry MX brown. And so that got me thinking, because over here is my Logitech G610, and this one had the genuine Cherry MX red keys. And as you can see, I have those really nice PBT putting keycaps for the Cherry MX key sets. And that got me thinking, it's probably gonna look really cool if I just switch those PBT putting keycaps onto the Logitech G513, which features the GX keys. And in my last review of the G513, I have confirmed that Cherry MX keycaps is fully compatible with the GX keycaps. Okay, so they're pretty much the same. The size of the cross in there, it's exactly the same. Okay, so I am gonna, in this video, replace all the keys that is replaceable. So keep in mind, some of the Logitech keys are interchangeable with Cherry MX key sets because their size is different compared to the standard Cherry MX keycaps. Okay, so those keys are unreplaceable. So I'm just gonna leave those keys in place, the Shift, Enter, Control, and Space. And every other key I can replace. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it replaced, and we're gonna take a look at the LED lighting effects after the keys replaced with the white keycaps. I think it's gonna look really nice, and it's really gonna make those colors pop out really nicely. Okay, so let's get started. All right, check it out. Only about 20% done, but it's already looking really nice. Again, those Cherry MX keycaps are fully compatible with Logitech GX keycaps or the GX key switches. So fantastic. And I cannot wait until I get this finished and turn on the keyboard, see how cool the LED effect is gonna be on the G513. And I am almost done with switching the keys. Now it's a good time to clean my old keyboard. I'm gonna use a vacuum, clean all the hairs, and put the new keys from the G513 onto my old G610 and give it another brand new life. One thing I want to mention is the new G513, the keycap quality are actually not as good as, say, the good old, keys. Because, see, those letters, some of the letters are actually printed instead of a actual translucent effect from the light shining on the back of the key. Okay, so yeah, in a sense, the new keycaps are actually kind of cheap. And so with me using the new PBT keycaps on here, it actually is gonna make this key, the G513, feels and looks a little more premium, in my opinion. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish everything, then we're gonna turn the keyboard on and take a look. All right, so I got all the keys replaced on the G513 with the Cherry MX compatible PBT putting keycaps. It's translucent, so when I turn on the G513, actually let me just turn it on right now. Let's take a look at the effect. And over here is my old G610 with Cherry MX keys, where those keycaps were originally put on. And of course, I'm gonna move all the new G513 keys onto my old G610. And again, fully compatible. Okay, so the GX keys works perfectly fine on the Cherry MX key switches. All right, we're gonna take a look, see what the effect looks like. And you guys can always scroll back to the original video before the, wow, looks so good. Oh my God, this actually, that's mind-blowing. This made the keyboard looks so much better because of that translucent color on the bottom. I never expected it to look this cool, especially with the new G513 design of a very low platform. So if you see on the G610, it's got a raised platform. This one have a very low platform, so everything, the color just pops out. It looks fantastic pleasantly surprised. Okay, so if you guys are thinking of converting your Logitech GX mechanical switch to a putting keycaps, feel free to do that. Just keep in mind, a couple keys are not replaceable. Those are Logitech sized keys, so unless you can find one that's Logitech compatible, you're not going to be able to replace those keys. Okay, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, yes, I am super surprised by the outcome. It actually looks fantastic. Okay, if you guys have any questions about this conversion, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. If you guys found this video helpful, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I should have more similar videos coming out for you guys. Okay, thanks again, and see you in the next video.